Bonjour everyone! My name is Jennifer Lorette, and this is going to be a very quick video on the benefits of being a woman and having estrogen receptors. I'm not sure if you are aware, but women actually have a lot of estrogen in their bodies, which means that we have more estrogen receptors. And I was doing some research and came across an article that actually showed that estrogen receptors repel cholesterol, meaning estrogen is cardioprotective. That the more estrogen receptors that you have in an area, the less cholesterol that binds to that blood vessel. The article that I read highlighted that the mammary glands, which are the glands in your breast, right? They have vessels called mammary vessels, and those blood vessels literally have absolutely no potential to bind cholesterol at all. And if it does bind cholesterol, it's a very minute amount. So that made me think. So a lot of people have blocked vessels, and it made me think, if these vessels are blocked, maybe there's a potential to replace those blocked vessels with mammary vessels. So I did some digging, and they're actually doing this research right now. So next time you're discussing somebody who had a heart attack, or somebody that you know, or a patient that you know that has a blocked vessel, perhaps suggest using a mammary vessel instead of replacing it with any other vessel. Use a mammary vessel, a vessel that we now know has a potential to repel cholesterol. So women, this is why men are more prone to having cardiovascular disease, because we have tons of estrogen. I hope you enjoyed that quick video. Peace for now.